Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I will be showing you how to install my Modpack on Linux. In specific, I can't speak, but specifically in Ubuntu. So, you'll do, first you have to download it. So, you will click on pinned messages, you will download the pack. Once it downloads, you will, there we go, close out of that, go home, downloads, randomnesspack.zip, archive manager, you will extract it. I'm just going to extract it to, not desktop, I already have it extracted here, extract, home. I'm just going to, okay, show the files. There's that. Randomnesspack.zip. Copy. Here, you want to add instance. I have it up to there, 1.7.10. Oh, yes. I'm just going to do that. Okay. Okay. You want to go to the instance folder. So you want to copy that and paste. Replace all that. Okay. And it's pretty simple. It's really not that hard. Launch it, and in a minute, it should load. And that's how you do it. If you have any troubles with this, on the Discord server, in beta testers, I'm usually on, so just get on and ask me, and I will see what I can do. Alright, thank you guys. See ya.